Create a beautiful wedding memory with this elegant DIY ring bearer pillow tutorial. This project is perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Hello my loves, I welcome you back again to my channel, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please do me well to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. In this video, you will learn the materials needed, which I have on the screen, cutting and sewing techniques, decorative ribbon placement, and professional finishing touches. So a handmade ring bearer pillow is not only budget friendly but also creates a lasting keepsake for your special day, and you could also make it for your friends. So after I cut out my fabric, you can see the measurement on your screen: 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, 9.5 or 9 by 9 works very fine. So I cut the same for the lace fabric, and I went ahead to stitch it all the way around just as I showed on the screen. Then this is the other side of the pillow, like the back side. I'll go ahead to stitch, and I will leave about 2 inches opening to turn to the right side. Although for this tutorial I didn't make use of a white fabric. This is like a cream color fabric, and that was what my client requested. Okay, so when I was done stitching and turning inside out like this, I went ahead to stuff in my fiber. Some persons call it stuffing, so you can decide to make it very full, and you may also decide to make it moderately full. But in this video, it was moderately stuffed because the client wanted it like that. So after I just went ahead to close the opening, you can do that with your hand needle and your matching thread, or you use your sewing machine. So the next thing is to add the embellishment. This is the button. I was just trying to see how it will look. Okay, I was just trying to see how it will look here, but later I took out the button because I felt the ribbon should come in first, then the other rope kind of ribbon should also be there. Just keep watching guys, and I shall see you all at the end of this video. Enjoy. When I was done preparing my accessories, I just went ahead to measure the pillow this way to get the midpoint, because you will like everything to be centralized and well aligned. So I just placed my ribbon and my kind of boat, it looks like a bow tie kind of, so I just attached the two this way. Then I will use the button like to stop it here, like to stop it behind. It will serve as a stopper so that you don't see the thread. Okay, you can see our pillow, ring pillow or ring bearer pillow is almost ready. You don't even need a sewing machine. Honestly, you don't need it. But if you have, good for you. If you don't have, you can actually use your hand needle and thread to create something like this. And it's something very remarkable. You can even keep it in your house to serve as a souvenir. You get it. Guys, look at it. What do you think? This is beautiful, right? Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.